candles, Karen.
Yeah.
Well, they're almost enough, aren't they? And then,
Bang.
no? No? No, just... You done?
No, still got a flame in it. There.
They're almost enough, Andrew. Just a load of smoke. Gary. Well, you can smell his gunpowder, isn't it? Ah, you alright, Mark? Jamie?
Yep.
Oh, very pretty.
Well, they're almost enough, Gary.
Go on then, go out, you bugger. Nope.
Just wait for the flame to disappear.
Yeah. Still going.
It's still going.
Still going.
Yeah, I can see it on the phone. Yeah, it's still...
Hello, Bob's come to join the party.
Oh yeah.
He's having a look saying, what's all this banging and crashing going on?
What's going on then?
Disturbing my beauty sleep.
Oh, he's up later than me and you, that rabbit, Gary.
Yeah, there he is. He's still up at
I've been
bloody-
out here about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning and he's still running about with that ball and he's like freaking...
Yeah,
Started eating.
I've been out at 4 o'clock in the morning when I've come down to the toilet and come and sat out here and he's still fucking running around with it.
Oh, he's eating that bloody tube, Jess.
Yeah, Andrew's took it off here.
I had to chuck it.
But they're allowed to eat the tube, that's what it's for, to play with and to eat it, because it's like part of enrichment for them.
Alright.
I have to get another one.
They don't come cheap either for the big ones.
No.
£15.
Nose went, huh?
The smaller ones.
I
He's
thought
not
it's just-
exactly small and he likes running in and out of them, so...
I thought it's just played with it. I might eat it.
No, you can eat them. If it's when you
Oh,
buy
that's
them,
okay.
Where's that one, Jamie?
I'm too small, I'm not going to try them. I'm too small to see. Yeah, if it says on them, like chewable and stuff,
So
they're
it's like
alright
an
to have it. 'Cause it's,
So it's like an enrichment toy then.
yeah, yeah,
Stop them chewing the cage.
yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Don't want call Andrew.
Starts chewing the wires, Jerry. They'll escape. Jerry?
Spin around your seats, please. I'm going to
Right. Confirming number.
Yeah, we can do one at a time, Andy.
Yeah, no, I tried doing 2, but I wasn't quick enough.
You alright, Mike?
Like a little shot. Can see you, Bob Bob.
Yeah, you want banging and crashing, Karen. You don't think that.
That was good.
Wow. In a bonfire.
Yeah, what they do to the fire.
What's up?
Fire's coming up.
Hello.
What the hell done to that fire?
That bloody fire back there, Karen.
I'm surprised it hasn't set the bloody house on fire or the shed.
Bloody
I'm
big fire.
actually surprised that they haven't put something in that like they shouldn't have.
It's a bloody big fire, isn't it? Look at this.
You seen that, Mum?
Yeah, all the black smoke. Yeah.
But lights come on again.
It keeps coming on and then it goes off.
It came on again, then went off.
And I'm out this weekend, John. We'll have to take all these lights in. Steady, 'cause it'll still be warm. You don't want to be burning your foot.